Hi Leo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements so you can get the most of your reading. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Sa mga nagtatanong, all my readings are timeless. Pwede kayong maging open or bukas sa mga messages anytime you come across this video because there's no time in spirit. I'm doing readings for all signs every week for love and guidance. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Leo. Let's see what are the energies and messages for you. Energies and messages for Leo. Entrepreneur. Okay. Pag nenegosyo, nag-iisip ka, okay, kung anong pwedeng inegosyo, you are doing research. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are thinking about quitting your job para magnegosyo. Mag-put up ng isang business. Okay. Performance evaluation. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, merong performance evaluation at work. Okay. You are looking forward to it. Yung iba, iniisip ninyo yan. Okay. Cryptocurrency. Okay. Online investment for some of you. You're thinking about that. Okay. Yung iba, you are learning about cryptocurrency. Yeah. Tinitingnan ninyo kung ano yung mga risk if you're going to engage in cryptocurrency. You are interested. Okay. Insurance. Yeah. For some of you, you have concerns about your insurance. Okay. Meron kayong aayusin. Yung iba, you are working in an insurance company. Okay. Or nag-iisip kayo na kumuha ng insurance sa'yo or sa family mo. Yeah. Shopping. Okay. For some of you, you're thinking about shopping. Okay. Pamimili. Shopping or window shopping kasama ng inyong loved ones or parents. Yeah. That is for some of you. Okay. Yeah. Tingnan natin ibang energies, messages for Leo. Yeah. Yung iba nag-iisip kayo, okay, na mag-shopping together with your person. Okay. But, take care. Enemies are working against you. Okay? Meron kang mga enemies. They are not happy for you. They are working against you. Okay? Of course, meron talagang ganyan. Hindi yan nawawala. Sa lahat ng tao. Okay? Or sa lahat. It may be sa work, even family. Okay? Friends, circle of friends, colleagues, mga boss, younger man, dealings or relationship with a younger man. Okay? For some of you, meron kayong concerns in dealing with this person. Batang lalaki. Okay? Or mas bata kaysa inyo. Bird, perch, waiting for news, package or letter. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong inaantay, waiting for some good news or letter. Okay? Waiting for some packages, deliveries. Nag-aantay ng isang magandang balita. Okay. Torch, spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Okay, merong spiritual growth within you. Okay. Para nakakaroon ka ng understanding in your surroundings sa mga bagay-bagay or even in relationships or family dynamics. Okay. Meron kang enlightenment within you. You've received, nakakatanggap ka ng mga wisdom na makakatulong sa inyo Okay? As a person, para ma-improve ang inyong relationship sa ibang tao. Okay? You've gained awareness on something. Grapes, time to go out and have fun. Yes, go shopping. Okay? Dine out. Have fun. Okay, enjoy every moment with your loved ones or with your partner. Dog, far away. A distant friend is thinking of you. Okay, meron kang kaibigan, okay, na naalala ka, naisip ka, maybe malayo sila sa inyo, sa ibang bansa, or sa ibang lugar, okay? Naisip ka nila or naalala ka nila, Leo. Tingnan natin from the tarot, ano yung mga messages, gabay, energies na paparating for Leo. Leo. Energies, messages, ano yung mga gabay na paparating for Leo. Ano yung mga messages, energies for Leo. Energies and messages for Leo. The Devil, okay? Free yourself from toxicity, even sa relasyon or sa trabaho to, or you are overthinking or negative thoughts, okay? Yeah. So you feel you are being trapped. Yeah. Sa mga negative thoughts or even in toxic relationship. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, merong overspending or self-indulgence in an unhealthy activity, okay, or situation. Leo. Okay? For some, you are obsessed or overly focused on material things or on someone, okay, obsessed ka sa isang unhealthy na relasyon, okay, or na tao. Okay? So, stay away from that. Release yourself from that entrapment. Okay? You have the power to detach yourself from such toxicity. Okay? Sa mga hindi maganda or hindi magandang impluwensya sa inyo, okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are going, for some of you, very attached, no? But you have to let go. Okay? Yeah. Protect yourself, Leo. Yung iba sa inyo, you're going to make a wise and good decision about business. You're thinking about your resources, okay? Merong improvement when it comes to money matters, okay? Merong contentment, okay? Happy home life. And abundance. Merong paparating na abundance and happy home life, okay? Sa inyo, Leo. Yeah. It's because of your work. It's because of your business. You are making a wise decision about yourself. About your family. Okay? Yeah. So, kung ano man to, yung mga negative thoughts na naisip ninyo, stay away from that. Release yourself. Okay? Umalis ka sa ganyang sitwasyon or sa ganyang entrapment. Okay? Mentally. Yeah. Yeah. All your hard work will be paid off. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are already stressed. Okay? But you know what you want. You are goal-oriented. Okay? Meron kang focus, meron kang target. Ma-overcome mo kung ano man to yung mga challenges or problema na inyong kinakaharap. Okay? Leo? Yeah. You will be freeing yourself from this situation. Magkakaroon ka rin ng free time or kaginhawaan for some of you. Yeah. You will be receiving a communication. Okay? Na magbibigay sa inyo ng relief. Okay? na matatapos na ang inyong kahirapan, ang inyong paghihirap, or mabibigyan na ng sagot ang inyong mga questions. Okay? About sa work mo to, or sa mga passion projects, okay? There will be contentment, happiness, and abundance waiting for you. Yeah, you will be victorious. For some of you, you are publicly recognized, okay? You are doing well sa inyong ginagawa. Napapansin ka din ng mga tao for some of you. Yes, yung iba, they are celebrating you, but for some, they don't care, okay? Merong inggit, competition. Yeah, but they know that you are winning, that you are victorious, that you are successful. They know. Okay? But they just don't want to accept it. They don't want to face it. Okay? Kita nyo to yung tao na to. Hindi siya nakatingin sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Renewal. Okay? Merong transformation na mangyayari in your life. Okay? Yeah. Kung meron man kayong mga hardships or napagbabago, kung meron man kayong mga hardships, merong pagbabago na mangyayari, brighter days ahead for you. Okay? Meron kayong mga babaguhin sa inyong sistema or sa inyong sitwasyon. Yeah. You are spiritually growing. Okay? Okay. Yeah. The Hangman. Okay. So, take a break for some of you. Kung meron kayong mga control issues, let it go. Okay. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga naisip kayo na mga ideas, or you are thinking other ways, new perspective. Okay? For some of you, be patient. Okay? Sa inyong sitwasyon, sa work man to, or kung meron kayong inaantay, be patient. Yeah. Merong enlightenment na mangyayari. Yung mga questions ninyo, magkakaroon ng kasagutan. Okay? For some of you, you are spiritually guided, okay, to do some introspection sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Masa trabaho man to or sa personal life. Yung iba sa inyo, you need to make small sacrifices for bigger things, okay, or to be for a bigger success in the future. Okay? The Chariot, okay? You will be victorious. You will be successful sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? Yeah. Kailangan lang ng self-discipline at saka willpower to pursue your goals and your dreams. Okay? Keep moving. Okay? Keep moving forward. Move forward. Okay? Yeah. Kailangan meron kang drive to succeed. Yes, and you will be successful. You will be victorious kung ano man to. Okay? Projects mo ba to? Work? Okay? Merong change. Pagbabago. Accepting new perceptions or ideas. Okay? Dahil merong enlightenment. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong maisip na mga new ideas. Okay, bright ideas. You will be enlightened. Okay. Yeah. Magkakaroon ng kasagutan kung meron kayong mga tanong or clarifications sa personal life nyo, sa trabaho nyo man, or sa sitwasyon, sa current situation nyo. Okay? Yeah. Public recognition. Okay? You will be recognized. Okay? may mga importante kang achievement na matatanggap, Leo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you will be traveling, okay? Yeah. Take action. For some of you, you are di ka kontento sa nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. You are missing the opportunity. Okay? So, get up. Take action. Yeah. For some, merong disappointment. Okay? Mga past events. Okay, na nalulungkot ka, merong regret sa inyong ginawa. Okay, for some of you. Okay. Magkakaroon ng pagpaplano or discussion how to move things forward sa trabaho to. Okay. Yeah. You, strength. Okay? You have the inner strength. Okay? Para malagpasan mo yung mga challenges. You are capable. Para malagpasan mo ang mga problema. Okay? Yung mga challenges. Meron kang kakayahan. You are patient. Okay? You are strong. Okay? Yeah. Temperance. So, balance your emotion well. Okay? Balance and moderation is important in your life right now. Yeah. For some of you, you have to wait for the perfect timing, for the right time. Okay. Do not rush on things. Yes. Okay. Be considerate and compromise. Kung ano yung mga kailangang gawin, tuloy lang, okay? Yeah. And do not lose hope. You are guided spiritually. You are protected, okay? By an angel, okay? And by the divine. Everything will be okay. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, mayroong disappointment over a situation, over a relationship. Okay? That's why parang walang kayong gana in a situation. Parang you are bored or discontented. Okay? Yeah. Right? Yeah. Success. You will be completing a project successfully. There is pride, okay? With pride, you will be completing something with pride, okay? For some of you, merong travel, international. A certain phase in your life will be will end, okay? So that something new will come, something better. Okay? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. For some of you, you will be receiving good news. It will make you very happy. You will be proud of yourself. You feel that this is your path. This is where you belong. Something like that. Parang yun yung mararamdaman mo, no? Dahil sa tuwa, sa saya because of the success. Meron kayong na-accomplish, okay? You will be able to accomplish something with pride. Yeah. Yeah, a decision will be made. For some of you, you will be receiving a document, an announcement or instruction, something like that, from someone or from a leader or an authority, okay? Regarding money, okay? Sure success, sure stability, okay? Yeah. Surprise, okay? Yeah, be kind, be compassionate, and listen to your intuition, okay? Yeah. Move forward lang, okay? Leo. Tingnan natin. Ano pa yung mga ibang message for Leo? For Leo, perhaps you are reminded all too often just how quickly the phases in your life can shift. One change after another. You are learning to adapt and grow. Be kind and gentle with yourself. Okay? So be kind and gentle with yourself. Okay? Yeah, may mga importante. Okay, may mga changes, significant change and transformation na nangyayari in your life. Okay? Yeah. Merong kaliwanagan sa inyong sitwasyon, clarity. You will be moving forward. You will be driven to move further, okay? Sa trabaho mo to, sa career mo to, sa personal life mo, you will have the drive to get success, to reach success, okay? Yeah, for some of you, yes, nag-aantay kayo. May kailangan kayo i-sacrifice a little for something better in the future. For Leo. 19. If you keep seeing the number 19, this is the message. This is the message. Independence and self-sufficiency are necessities to you. You are extremely capable in life and in work and aren't afraid to take big risks to achieve the life you desire. I am a pioneer. Yes, you are a pioneer. Leo, okay? You are capable in life and in work and are not afraid to take big risks. Okay? So, be strong. All the best sa inyo, Leo, and keep the faith. Ito lang yung mga messages for you. And thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!